Welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Today we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree, but before that let's make some hot chocolate. I'm gonna use some cashew milk. This one is very nice, it's gluten-free and no added sugar. It literally has spring water, cashew nuts and sea salt. So let's try to see how it is. Just before it boils, I'm gonna add the cocoa powder, maybe some other ingredients to give it a bit more flavor. Meanwhile, should we open the Grow Your Own Advent calendar to see what we have for today? Day 7. Let's see, day 7. All year round lettuce. Ooh. It's called butterhead lettuce. Nice, let's see. Early in the season, sow into trays or modules in the greenhouse or on windows. Oh, that's good that you can also grow it by the window. So the sow is in May and then the harvest is in July. Let's put it big. Let's get the ingredients for the hot chocolate. We have the organic cocoa powder. I'm gonna add a very little bit of cayenne pepper in it, a little bit of ginger, some nutmeg, and a bit of cinnamon. I also want to grate a bit of dark chocolate on top of the mugs. And we have a little bit of dark chocolate left. I'm getting my spoons ready. The milk is getting warm, so I'm gonna add the cocoa powder. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg. This is a 1/4 teaspoon, but probably just a pinch of this one, not much. Let's see, like this much. It's quite strong. Then we're gonna do some cinnamon. I think with the cinnamon I will just go with a teaspoon because I like it. Okay. Next is ginger, a teaspoon. Okay. And the final ingredient, some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add a pinch of this pepper. Wow, that's a lot. Let's stir it. Wow. Oh, the smell. Oh my god. I'm gonna let it simmer so all the spices blend together. I'm gonna blend it a bit. You have to be very careful when you blend. Make sure the blender is very close to the bottom so it doesn't splash everywhere. get the caps. This looks amazing. If you want to make it thicker, you can add some arrowroot to it. Wow. We're gonna add some honey for a little bit of sweetness. And now we're gonna add the dark chocolate on top. This is gonna melt very nicely. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of turmeric on top. Amazing. And I'm also gonna add on top some desiccated coconut. Looks amazing. Very happy with how they turned out. Now we're gonna go in the living room and decorate the Christmas tree. I'm gonna start with the fireplace. Let's see. Gonna push it towards this side. Oh, and I remember I also have like a white deer to put here in the middle. This looks so nice. Now let's do the tree. We got the tree in and all the decorations are out too, so let's put the tree now. Whew. Let's add some water to it. It's the first time doing this, so let's see. I don't know if it needs to be done from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. Just try like this and see how it goes. It feels so much tighter now to cut. We took the net off, put the tree up, and we will probably start with the lights and then put the bubbles and the other decorations. This is definitely a spicy one, so if you want to make it, it's good to put the spices in half compared with how I did it. I'll start at the bottom with the lighting. We've got some copper ones, I really like it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough for the whole tree, but I'll see what I can do. Yeah, we definitely need a second one. We've got the second one. Now I'm gonna add this in. Let's see what to add next, probably the bubbles. I think the tree is gonna be mainly red. I still have some more red ones, but I want to add in some other decorations and then see how it looks, if it needs more. I have some boxes with very cute decorations. Wow! So yeah, I want to add this in first and then see what else I can add. Oh wow, look at the snowflakes. And this. Let's do the snowflakes first and then we'll see. Look how beautiful this one is. I feel like it needs to be in the middle of the tree. Let's see. Maybe like here. Next we have a present. Let's see, maybe we put here towards the bottom. So cute. Next we have a nutcracker. Let's see. We also have a sleigh. This is very, very cute. I love it. Let's see, maybe put it here. Wow, looks lovely. Now I have two more decorations that are very adorable. So let's see. These ones, so nice. A mermaid. Oh, and another one, and the heart. Oh wow, like a bottle with a message inside. Let's put them on. I feel like I want to put the heart somewhere here. So nice. How gorgeous is this mermaid? I really love it. I also got some cinnamon sticks, so I'll add these ones too. Let's see. Now I'm gonna add some more red bubbles in the empty spaces. I'm not really decorating it much at the back because it's quite pushed towards the wall, but I think probably everyone does that. I also have some candy canes, so I think I'll add these ones too. I can add one here because this is quite big ones. So I'm thinking to add a bit more this side, because if we are on the other side of the living room, it looks a bit empty. I found some pine cones, so I think I'll add these ones in too. Let's see. Much better. Now let's turn the lights on. It was so fun decorating the tree, but also so tiring. I have left to open the coffee Pact calendar for today to see what we've got. Day 7. We have hints of dark chocolate and date. Origin from Bolivia, roast medium. This is grown in Caranavi, a lush province which is known as Bolivia's coffee capital. Here, high altitudes, 1,700 meters above sea level, and rich soil combine to give coffee cherries plenty of flavor and maturation. The Navarro family's farm here is tiny but mighty, bringing you a complex cup full of dark chocolate and date, a creamy mouthfeel, and an apple acidity which brings everything together. This sounds very exciting to drink. Unfortunately, it's quite late today, so I'll probably have it in a different day. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog.